Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to unblock someone on TikTok. So let's get started. At first let's go to the TikTok app. So here it is. Now we need to search for the person or the account we have already blocked. So let's go here in the search bar in the top right corner. Now search for the account you want. So let me go with this. Now you can see it writes blocked by you. So let's click on this user and we can see this unblock option. We need to know that we can unblock someone only if we have already blocked them. So let's click on unblock option here. Now we can click on unblock again. Now you can see the user's profile. So this is how we can unblock them. Now if you want to, you can also follow them here. So this is how you can unblock someone in TikTok. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.